wrap there, only to say that on day 5 we're going to be exploring forms some more. We're going to be looking at turning your form submissions into members and putting those members into groups, which is all managed in the contacts area. So here is the contacts area, and you can see this is a list of where all your inquiries appear. So you don't just get your inquiries via email, you keep a log of all of your leads that come in via the website here. And if those members subscribe, they go into a member list where you can also look at all the different companies that have inquired. So you get your contact and they live inside a company. And then of course you've got all of your automations, which is what we're really going to be diving into in day 5, making sure that if someone's submitted a form, you can send scheduled emails and scheduled SMSs and scheduled WhatsApp messages to them sequentially within a funnel. And that will all be coming up in day 5.